up, guys? See some people jumping in. Richie, give me a sec. I'll check. I believe we do. All right, Richie, so we do have some teams that are available, so I'll drop them in the chat here. All right, so Bills, Browns, Cardinals, and Panthers are available. Everybody else is paid. Those 4 teams did not sell. So if you have a team in the break, we'll offer them up for $12 shipped for all 4 teams. If you have a team in the break, if you don't have a team in the break, we'll do $15. That way we get some cost for shipping. All right, so while we're doing that, I will do a roll call. Let's see. All right, so I have Alicia has the Bengals, Bucks, Cowboys, and Dolphins. Amber has the Falcons and Steelers. Ashley has the Patriots. Charles has the Chargers, Colts, Giants, Jets, Raiders, and Rams, and Seahawks. Thank you very much, Charles. David has the Titans. Jacob has the Bears. Jamie has the Saints and Texans. Joey's Great Deals has the Jags. Leon has the Ravens. Mark has the Chiefs. Nicholas has the Broncos and Packers. Raymond has the Redskins. Robert has the Vikings. Sean has the 49ers. Solomon has the Eagles. And Tommy has the Lions. Any takers on the 4 extra teams? All right, if we got no takers on those teams, then we will get ripping. PayPal only, Jake. My partner, he has Venmo, but he's not here with me tonight. And unfortunately, all I have is PayPal. Okay. All right. Last call. Bills, Browns, Cardinals, and Panthers. $12 if anybody wants them. Unfortunately, all I have is PayPal. If not, we'll not worry about it and we'll get ripping. Pretty simple tonight. 10 blasters of illusions. Looking for the Holo Hero inserts. All right, we'll roll. Good luck, everyone. Oh, Jason, so my partner is logging in. So it's the Bills, Browns, Cardinals, and Panthers for $12. So Jake, if you do want them, my partner is in the chat, so he can do the Venmo. It's up to you. All right, I'm gonna get going. All right, empty box. No, I don't have Cash App, PayPal, and apparently we got Venmo. All right, first pack. What in the world? All right, Jake, since you wanted them first and had the Venmo, Jason will send that to you. You guys can take care of that. All right. Cornell Powell, rookie to the Chiefs. Myles Gaskin to the Dolphins. Kyler Murray to the Cards. And here we go. Right out the bat. Nice little mystique. Mac Jones. Put that down and get that sleeved up. There we go. Mac Jones, first pack. All right, and Dwami Brown, rookie to the Skins, and Lamar Jackson. All right, Travis Etienne to the Jags. And we got our Sparkle card. Keeney Ngangwu to the Vikings. So nice hit there to the Vikings. Travis Kelce on the Emerald. Ramondre Stevenson, rookie to the Pats. Jamison Crowder and DJ Chark. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. Thanks, Jason, for tuning in and not being here. Justin Herbert. And I think we might have, I got a thick card in here. So we might have ourselves a little hit right in the first box. So Herbert, Ian Book, Nick Chubb. Oh, it's a Shining Stars. It was stuck together. So Shining Stars, Josh Allen going out to the Bills. So there you go, Jake. Nice little pickup. Get your little Josh Allen insert. And Taysom Hill. It's got some of the particles of being stuck. And Keeney Ngangwu. Going to play Fortnite, huh? All right. See how it is. All right, Aaron Rodgers, another Mac Jones. So this is a Mystique again, but this is the green or I guess you would call it the emerald. So nice hit there. Nice first box to the Pats. Back up there. All right. And then we got Trey Sermon on the emerald. Nice hit there for the Niners. Saquon, Deshaun Watson, and Jamar Chase. First time we've seen Jamar. Pitts and Najee, all right. Guess Kyle Pitts, I have Marcus Mariota throwing to him next year. All right, the People's tight end, George Kittle. Rondale Moore, rookie. Sam Darnold. We got a King of Kings, Dan Marino, going out to the Dolphins. I like these cards, but they chip so easy on the edges in these packs. So if you get a PSA 10 of them, you're doing something. Look at the bottom of that card. Nice hit there. Jerry Jeudy and Davis Mills. All right, Anthony Schwartz, rookie to the Browns. Zeke Elliott. J.K. Dobbins on the emerald. Gronk. Dez Fitzpatrick, rookie. And Antonio Gibson rounding out box one. So guys, we'll penny sleeve all the rookies. We'll top load the hits. And dull knife when we ship these out. So sometimes that happens, Kyle, unfortunately, and they go right to our blocked list. But tonight, fortunately, everybody paid. The teams that didn't sell, I think our auctions ended a little bit early. And I think people didn't pick up on the beginning part of our auctions because it was Buffalo, Cleveland, Carolina, and Arizona. So it was like the first teams. But then once people started picking up on it, they scooped up the rest of the teams. So, all right, T. Higgins, Cornell Powell, again, another rookie. Myles Gaskin. There we go. Got a Kyle Pitts, Illusionist. There you go. Nice little hit there. Get that sleeved up. Lamar Jackson and another Ramondre Stevenson. This Pitts. Get this Kyle Pitts on the board. So our next break with Mosaic, everybody picked up on it. No Najee yet, but he's coming. Kyler Murray. And our Sparkle Speckle of T. Higgins. It's pretty sweet looking cards. Dalvin Cook on the emerald. Jamison Crowder. DJ Chark. And Taysom Hill to the Saints. Etienne. Justin Herbert. Ian Book. Second one we've seen of him. Nice little clear shots of Justin Herbert. They sit there to the Chargers. Keenan and Kwangwu, I think that's the third one we've had of him. Rookie to the Vikings, and Saquon. So far we found a nice little correlation of the same cards, so hopefully that changes. Get a little mix in here. Nick Chubb. There we go. Got a Justin Fields, and that's an Emerald Mystique. So nice hit there to the Bears. Nice, another nice hit right behind that. Get this Fields sleeved up. And then right behind that, we've got a Trey Lance Emerald. So nice hit there for the Niners. Deshaun Watson, another Jamar Chase, and Jerry Jeudy. Kyle, no teams open on the Mosaic. All of them sold. All right, so let's do this. Consolidate Mac there. Trey Lance. And there's Jamar Chase. All right, 2 packs to go. Blaster number 2. All right, Aaron Rodgers, another George Kittle, Rondale Moore again, and here we go, Trey Lance, Mystique. So nice hit there for the Niners. And then right behind that, we got Davis Mills and Gronk. That's our second Davis Mills. All right. Hold on. Trey, you got sacked there, bud. All right, there we go. And last pack of blaster number 2. All right, Sam Darnold, Anthony Schwartz, Brandon Ayuk on the Emerald for the 49ers. Nice box for the 49ers. Des Fitzpatrick, Antonio Gibson, and Terrace Marshall to the Panthers. All right, 2 boxes down, 8 to go. So a good start for the Pats and the 49ers. Bears got a field so far. Empty box. It's hard to get a hold of sometimes. Goodness. Alvin Kamara. There we go. First Trevor Lawrence of the night. T-Law. Cam Akers. Javonte Williams on the Mystique to the Broncos. Jalen Darden and Jalen Hurts. This Lawrence up here. Everybody loves the quarterbacks. These are a fun rip. Elijah Moore. There we go. Najee Harris on the Shining Stars to the Steelers. And right behind that, got a Trevor Lawrence, and that's the Emerald parallel, I believe. Is it? Looks to, maybe it is, maybe I can't really tell sometimes. It looks to be, but sometimes the glow. Carson Wentz, Jalen Waddle, and Patrick Mahomes. So Kyle, did you just recently get those boxes at Walmart? Because they appeared, I believe, last week. I saw them at my local Walmart. And they had jacked the price up in store to like $35 a blaster, which I thought was a bit much for this product. A couple weeks ago. Packs are a little hard to get a hold of sometimes. All right. Sean Taylor throwing it back. Nico Collins, rookie. Dak. Nice hit here for the Bengals. King of Cards, Joey B. Dwami Brown, rookie. And Lamar Jackson. Yeah, when they first released earlier in the year, they were, I believe, $28. But they had them jacked up to $35. Justin Jefferson. Here we go. Justin Fields, base. Cam Akers on the Emerald. Another Ramondre Stevenson. Jamison Crowder. And DJ Chark. So our first Fields base to go with that Emerald Mystique. Russell Wilson, Dwayne Eskridge, Simi Fioco, and there we go. T-Law on the Shining Stars insert. Nice hit there. Taysom Hill and Keeney Ngavu. Gonna have 10 of them by the time it's over with tonight. What's up, man? Off to a good start. I'm looking forward to break 439 with the Mosaic coming up next. This is our first time ripping blasters. We've ripped cellos so far. We'll be ripping hangers here soon. Stephon Diggs. There we go. Terrace Marshall on a nice sparkle speckle card. Elijah Moore on the Emerald. And Saquon Barkley, Deshaun Watson, and our third, Jamar Chase. All right, 3 boxes down. Empty box. All right, DeAndre Hopkins, Cam Newton on the speckle, Kyler Murray, Gronk, Dez Fitzpatrick, and Antonio Gibson. Yeah, they do, Kyle. I like them. So we'll be doing probably the Target hangers and the Walmart hangers. Amir Smith-Marset. Let's see, Josh Allen. Let's see, we got T. Higgins. I don't know what they would call this one. I get this one in, it's because this Prestige has a similar one. Najee Harris on the Illusionist. So second Najee insert. Jerry Jeudy and Davis Mills. David, let's see. Yes, you did. You had them in this break. So far, just a bunch of Dez Fitzpatrick rookies. I think we pulled one in every box so far. Yeah, diamonds, what I was thinking too. They look similar to those Prestige inserts that they had at the beginning of the year. Ayuk. Baker Mayfield, poor guy. Myles Gaskin on the Emerald. Saquon Barkley. Deshaun Watson and Jamar Chase. Number 4. We've hit a Jamar in every box so far. All right, 3 packs to go. And we've also hit a Keeney Ngavu in every box. Chase, Dalvin Cook, Trey Lance, another one. And a Justin Herbert, King of Cards. Nice hit there. Taysom Hill and Keeney. Yeah, Kyle, you do have the Steelers and Falcons. I'm assuming that Amber Sharp is you. All right, 2 packs to go. All right, Josh Palmer and Austin Eckler, Emerald Illusionist. It's a cool looking card. Cornell Powell, the Emerald Rookie. Ramondre Stevenson, Jamison Crowder, and DJ Chark. I feel like we've had that same pack in every box so far. Matthew Stafford, Javonte Williams, rookie. Matt Ryan, formerly of the Falcons. There we go. Nice little hit for the Bucks. Tom Brady, shining star. Nice hit there. Dwamie Brown and Lamar Jackson. All right. 4 boxes in. We're still looking for, I think Zach Wilson is the only rookie QB we haven't seen. All right, Ian Book, Nick Chubb, Cortland Sutton. There we go, Najee Harris on the base, Josh Jacobs, and Miles Sanders. First Najee of the night. And we will do a recap at the end for the bigger hits. Yeah, man, I want to see a holo here. I haven't pulled one yet. Kyler Murray, Travis Etienne, rookie. Herbie, another Kyle Pitts on the Mystique. Nice hit there. Tua, and Ryan Tannehill. Well, there you go, Kyle. You ask and you shall receive. All right, Myles Gaskin. Here we go. Aaron Rodgers on the Emerald King of Cards. It's a pretty cool looking card. A little color match there. And Mac Jones on the Emerald Rookie. So nice little hits back to back. Chuba, Joey B, and Kenneth Gainwell. Mac. All right, 3 packs to go, and then we'll be halfway through. All right, Tylan Wallace, T. Higgins, Cornell Powell again, and another Trey Lance. So this is the Illusionist. So we're hitting all the Lances. Sean Bateman and Derek Carr. There we go, Zach Wilson, first time we've seen him. George Kittle on the Sparkle Speckle. Allen Robinson, Emerald. Tom Brady. Michael Carter. And Tim Tebow, first time we've seen him. Timmy Tebow. All right, last pack. Blaster number 5. Amon-Ra St. Brown. So finally starting to see some new rooks. Big Ben. Devontae Adams. Got a King of Cards. Is that Sean Taylor? Nice. You know he had one of those. Nice little hit there. Cortland Sutton and Kellen Mond, rookie. All right. Dude, my knife. Empty box. All right, Alvin Kamara. Another Trevor Lawrence. Cam Akers. Dalvin Cook on the Shining Stars. There we go. Right behind that, Tim Tebow. And Rashad Bateman, rookie. So we've entered the Tebow portion. Are you talking about the blade on my knife? Because there's not much of a blade. I think my dull fingernails would do more. And that Elijah Moore. Here we man. All right, the Emerald Trey Lance Illusionist. Cam Newton on the Emerald. I believe that's the second Emerald of Cam Newton. Derek Carr, Chuba, and Joey B. Yeah, Jason, that is a nice Sean Taylor. I didn't even know he was in there. The Trey Lance is stacking up. You would think Sean Taylor, Nico Collins, Dak Prescott. Got a Russ Wilson, King of Cards. Kenneth Gainwell and Tua. I mean, there's only 50 variations of each Hollow Hero, so you would think that they would be plentiful. Justin Jefferson, Justin Fields, Derrick Henry on the Emerald, Tannehill, another Najee, and Josh Jacobs. All right, 2 packs to go. Russ, Dwayne Eskridge, Simi Fioco, and another Kyle Pitts Illusionist. Miles Sanders and Jonathan Taylor. All right, Stephon Diggs, Cam Akers, Kadarius Toney, first time we've seen him on the Emerald. Kyle Trask, first time we've seen him. Travis Kelce and Trey Sermon. All right, 4 blasters to go. Box. Aaron Rodgers, George Kittle, Rondale Moore. There we go. Jamar Chase on the Illusionist. First time we've seen that card of him tonight. Jalen Hurts and Carson Wentz. That's right, Kyle. I like your thinking. Sam Darnold. There we go. Justin Fields. Nice little sparkle. Nice hit there for the Fields spot. Or the Bears spot, I should say. Another Emerald, Kadarius Toney. So back-to-back boxes. Jalen Waddle. Patrick Mahomes and Delamy Brown. It'd be nice to see like a numbered card or some ink or something too. Anthony Schwartz, rookie. Zeke, Jared Goff, and another Mac Jones insert. This time the clear shots. Lamar and Ramondre Stevenson. All right, 3 packs to go. Devonta Smith, first time we've seen him. Travis Kelce, clear shots. Jalen Darden on the Emerald. Jamison Crowder, DJ Chark, and Taysom Hill. Seen them together quite a bit tonight. All right, 2 packs to go, and then we'll have 3 blasters left. Again, I'll remind you that we will do a recap at the end. DK Metcalf, Tutu Atwell, rookie. Alvin Kamara, Zach Wilson, Mystique. So first little insert we've seen of him. So nice hit there for the Jets. Keeney, again, and Saquon. Another Trevor Lawrence. Cam Akers. Jalen Hurts on the Emerald. Deshaun Watson. Another Jamar Chase. And Jerry Jeudy. All right. 3 boxes to go. 18 packs left. Guys, make sure you like and follow us on Facebook if you haven't done so already. We don't sell cards on here. It's just me and my buddy, who's usually here with me, just not with me tonight. But he will be back with me Thursday when we are breaking some Topps Baseball. Some holiday boxes from 2020, 2021, and then some hangers from Series 2, or Series 1 of this year, 2022. And then we're also doing 5 Absolute Blasters Thursday night as well. house if you want to come back for that. Aaron Rodgers, George Kittle, Rondale Moore, Patrick Mahomes, Shining Stars. Nice hit there for the Chiefs. Jonathan Taylor and Kyle Trask. This Mahomes in the loader. All right, Sam Darnold, Rondale Moore, nice hit there to the Cards. Kellen Mond on the Emerald. Travis Kelce, Trey Sermon, and J.K. Dobbins. Big Trey. I like it, Sean. It's my team, the Niners. Sean, did you have the Niners that night when we pulled in the Rookies and Stars box? Anthony Schwartz. Zeke, Jared Goff, Lamar Jackson's on the King of Cards. Jacob Harris, rookie, and Cam Newton. You did? All right. You know how much that pained me to ship that card? That auto out of 10 as a 49er fan? There might have been a couple tear stains on that top loader. Devonta Smith, rookie. Rondale Moore on the Mystique. Tom Brady on the Emerald. Derrick Henry, Kadarius Toney, and Jalen Darden. All right, 2 packs to go. DK Metcalf, Tutu Atwell, Alvin Kamara, Devonta Smith on the Illusionist, Jalen Hurts, and Carson Wentz. All right, and last pack. Another Trey Lawrence, or Trevor Lawrence, excuse me. Cam Akers, Michael Carter on the Emerald, Jalen Waddle, Patrick Mahomes, and Dwami Brown. Together again. All right, 2 boxes to go. Like I said, we will do a recap here at the end. And those that are here for the Mosaic break, when this is over, we will shut this feed down for a few minutes to clean these cards off, and we'll start a new feed for that break. Box, 2 boxes to go. Devonta Smith, DK Metcalf, Tutu Atwell, another Josh Allen Shining Stars, Jonathan Taylor, and Kyle Trask, rookie. Kyle, now Rookies and Stars break, we did 3 longevity boxes, and we hit a Trey Lance Airborne Prism numbered to 10 rookie auto. And then in the same box, we hit a Trevor Lawrence tricolor patch out of 25. Pretty sweet. If you go back and look on our Facebook feed, there's a couple pictures that we posted of them. Alvin Kamara, another Trevor Lawrence. Ian Book on the Emerald. Travis Kelce, Trey Sermon, and J.K. Dobbins. Cam Akers, Elijah Moore. Oh, finally got a little numbered card action here. Baker Mayfield. That's I guess that would be a red. Number 102 out of 125. Going out to the Brownies. Another Dan Marino, King of Cards. Jacob Harris on the rookie, and Cam Newton. Cleveland's very own favorite, Baker Mayfield. Oh, is he no longer a Brown? Is it official? Did they trade him? All right, 3 packs to go. Sean Taylor. Oh, man. Another Trevor. This is the old Sparkle Speckle. Nice hit there. The Jags just stacking them up. Nick Chubb on the Emerald. Derrick Henry, Kadarius Toney, and Jalen Darden. Yeah, I know he's leaving, or he wants to leave. They got to find a taker for him. They got to find something to do because they know Watson's going to get suspended. That's why they only his $1 million salary. Yeah, there's a couple of them that have been in every pack so far. It's that correlation, man. But I can't remember how many cards are in the set, if it's only like 200. Nico Collins, Dak Prescott, Justin Jefferson. Why not? Another Trevor Lawrence, this time the Illusionist. Jalen Hurts and Carson Wentz. All right, last pack of Blaster number 9. Justin Fields, Dak Prescott on the King of Cards, Aaron Rodgers on the Emerald, Jalen Waddle, again, Patrick Mahomes, and Dwamie Brown, another guy we've seen plenty of tonight. All right. Last box. Last box magic. I like it, Joey. Sean Taylor, Nico Collins, Dak Prescott, Patrick Mahomes clear shot. Nice it there for the Chiefs. And then we've got Dez Fitzpatrick with a lot of Patrick Mahomes' card remnants on him. And Antonio Gibson. Justin Jefferson. Good Lord. Trevor Lawrence on the Emerald Illusionist. Just killing it. Keenan Allen, Emerald. Terrace Marshall. DJ Moore. And first time we've seen him, Pat Freiermuth to the Steelers. All right, Justin Fields, another base to add to the collection. Russ Wilson, Dwayne Eskridge. There we go, another Mystique. Justin Fields. Daniel Jones and Allen Robinson. I'm gonna get a count on the quarterbacks when we get done here. I think T-Law's got it. With Fields and Trey Lance coming in second. Well, Mac Jones started off hot in that first box. Simi Fioco, Stephon Diggs, Amon-Ra St. Brown, another Mac Jones, Cortland Sutton, and Kellen Mond. That is an Emerald St. Brown, by the way. Two packs to go. Like I said, I will do a recap here at the end. All right, Stafford, Javonte Williams, Matt Ryan, and Travis Etienne on the Shining Stars because the Jags just didn't have enough. Tom Brady and Michael Carter. And last pack. Josh Palmer. Oh, nice. Tom Brady on the little sparkle speckle. Big Ben, Tim Tebow, Rashad Bateman, and Derek Carr rounding it out. All right, give me a second here. And I will put together all right. Let's see. Rookie, Mahomes. Fields. T-Law. Fields, Mac. T-Law. Zach Wilson, Fields. Chief. Zach Wilson. All right, so let's see. All right, in no particular order, guys. So we had a Mahomes Shining Star, Justin Herbert King of Cards, Illusionist Najee Harris, Joey B King of Cards, Najee on the Shining Stars, Tom Brady on the Shining Stars, Aaron Rodgers on the Emerald King of Cards. We did hit one numbered card, Baker Mayfield, 102 out of 125. Get this nice little speckled Tom Brady. A couple of our other rookies that we hit. Devonta Smith on the Illusionist, Jamar Chase on the Illusionist to go with some base rookies that we had. Kyle Pitts, 2 Illusionists and a Mystique. And our quarterbacks. So we had 2 Zach Wilsons. So just the base and the Mystique. I think our next thinnest pile was Mac Jones. So we had one base and 1 emerald. Let's go back and look. 1 base, 1 emerald. Then we had the clear shots, the Emerald Mystique, and then the regular Mystique. So it's there. Trey Lance. We had the base, Emerald Illusionist, and the base Illusionist, and the Mystique, and the Emerald rookie card. Justin Fields, Emerald Mystique. And then we had 4 base cards. I'm sorry, the Emerald and the regular Mystique. And then we had the Speckle rookie. And then clear winner was Trevor Lawrence. Let's see. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base. I believe that's an emerald. It's really hard to tell with that green. And then we have the speckle. And then we had the illusionist and the emerald illusionist and the shining stars. So congrats to the Jags. All right, guys, so that wraps this one up. Make sure you like and follow us on Facebook. For those here with the Mystique, I will, or not the Mystique, the Mosaic, I will clean this one up, and I'll be back in about 5 minutes to get started on the Mosaic break. Looking forward to that one. Thanks, everyone. I hope you had fun. These cards will get packaged up and shipped out. They'll go out in Wednesday's mail, so be looking for them. And make sure you check us out on Thursday with our Absolute Football 5 Blaster break as well. Thanks, everyone.